Never give up. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow, there will be sunshine. You might have health problems. You might have lost your job. You might be going through a divorce. One of your loved ones might have died. Or you may be just struggling to keep your head above water. I can never have all the answers for you to get you through this. But what I do know is that faith and hope can get you through that. It will most probably get even worse as the days goes on, and the pain would become even worse. But one thing you must not do, and that is to let go of your faith and hope. Now, I'm not naive to think that for everyone there will always be sunshine at the end of the day. Life just do not work like that. But through faith there is hope, and many times that hope turned for many people into sunshine. I experienced this myself 11 years ago when I had my darkest hour facing me in my whole life. Through faith, I kept going. That gave me hope. I started to live a healthy lifestyle. And yes, there was days that I thought this is the end. And some days that even got worse. But my faith gave me hope. And the hope kept me going. Today for me the sun is shining. It's 11 years later for me. I'm extremely healthy. I look the best I ever looked in my life. And all of that because of the faith that gave me hope. Yes, you have to bring your part, and you have to do what is humanly possible to change your situation. But keep the faith, keep the hope, and hand your pain over to God in prayer on your knees. Zephaniah 3 verse 17 says, "The Lord your God is in your midst, a mighty one. He will save. He will rejoice over you with gladness. He will quiet you with his love. He will exalt over you with loud singing." Keep the faith and keep the hope, and let your sun shine at the end of the day. Cheers everybody. Gert Louw signing off.